Many students say, "This is my cousin brother." Oops, that's wrong. And many students also say, "My father name is Ramu." That one is wrong too. Don't worry. If you've ever said this, you are not alone. Today, நாங்க என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்டா, when you are talking about your family members and about your friends, you might make some mistakes. So, அந்த mistakes என்ன என்று இன்றைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். So, I'm going to show you 15 mistakes and let's fix them quickly so that at the end of this video, you're going to speak about your family and friends more confidently and naturally. Ready? Let's fix the first mistake together. First part the mistake enna? This is my cousin brother. You can't say it like that. You can't say cousin brother. You should say just cousin. So that நீங்க எப்படி introduce பண்ணுவீங்க? He is my cousin. He என்றதால he is a male boy என்றது எல்லாருக்கும் புரியும். He is my cousin or she is my cousin. Understood? So you can't say cousin brother, cousin sister. That is wrong. Now say this sentence with me. She is my cousin. We are the same age. Next one. My father name is Ramu. My mother name is Geeta. That is also wrong. So, அதை நீங்க எப்படி சொல்லணும்? My father's name is Ramu. My mother's name is Geeta. So, ஒருவருக்கு உரிமையான ஒரு விடயத்தை நாங்கள் சொல்கிற பட்சத்தில் அந்த நவுனோட சேர்த்து apostrophe s சொல்லணும். My father's அப்பாவுடைய, my mother's அம்மாவுடைய, my friends எனது நண்பனுடைய. Got it? Now say this sentence with me. My mother's name is Lakshmi. Number 3. She works in a shop. Wrong. How should you say that? She works in a shop. She works in a shop. For he, she, it, you have to add an s at the end of the V1 form of verb. Simple present tenseல நீங்க பேசும் பொழுது he, she, it subjectaக வந்தால் அதில் வரக்கூடிய V1 form of verbக்கு s சேர்க்கணும். She works in a shop. Now say this sentence with me. He studies in grade 8. Number 4. He is elder than me. Wrong. In English, we usually say older, not elder. Except elder brother, elder sister. Look at this sentence. He is elder than me, which is wrong. He is older than me, which is correct. My elder brother lives abroad. This is correct. Number 5. My family are very big. Wrong. When we think of family as one group, we have to say is. My family is very big. Say this sentence with me. My family is from Chennai. Got it? Number 6. I have 2 children. Wrong. Child என்பதோட plural தான் children. So, திரும்பவும் நீங்கள் ஒரு s என childrenோட எண்டில் சேர்க்க வேண்டியது இல்லை. Okay. I have 2 children. That is correct. Now, say this sentence with me. They have 3 children. Got it? Number 7. He is my friend. We are cousins. No, it's wrong because friend, relative. So cousin is a relative. So you have to say, he is my cousin. He is my cousin. Now say this sentence with me. She is my close friend. She is not my relative. Friend is a different thing. Relative is another different thing. Got it? Number 8. He is my real brother. Wrong. English doesn't usually use real here. இந்த இடத்துல real என்று யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ அவர் என்னோட உடன் பிறந்த சகோதரன் என்று சொல்கிறது எப்படி என்றா he is my brother. That is perfect. Otherwise ரொம்ப ஃபார்மலாக நீங்கள் சொல்லணும் என்று சொன்னால் தேவைப்பட்டால் he is my biological brother. Biological brother. You can say like that. Number 9. I'm having 2 sisters. Wrong. For permanent facts, you have to use simple present tense. So, எனக்கு 2 தங்கைகள் இருக்கிறாங்க என்று சொல்றது there is a permanent fact. So, you can't say I am having. You should say I have 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters. Now, say this sentence with me. I have 1 younger brother. Number 10. My sister is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Is that correct? No, it's wrong. My sister is a doctor. She works in a hospital. You have to use he for male. You have to use she for female. My sister is a female, so you have to use she works in a hospital. Number 11. We are 4 members in my family. Wrong. So, நீங்கள் நேச்சுரலாக இங்கிலீஷை பேசணுமெண்டா you have to say like this. There are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. Say this sentence with me. There are 6 people in our family. Number 12. She's my bestest friend. Bestest is not a word. Best friend. That is correct. She's my best friend. 13. He married with my sister. Wrong. So, அதை நீங்கள் எப்படி சொல்லணும்? He married my sister. அல்லது he is married to my sister. Both are correct. Keep that in your mind and move on to the next mistake that everyone do. I and my brother live together, which is wrong. So, how it should be? My brother and I live together. Some people use this as my brother and me live together. That is also wrong. Me என்பது objective form of the pronoun I. So, you have to use the subjective form of the pronoun, which is I. My brother and I live together. Last one. She is like my sister. நீங்கள் சொல்லக்கூடியவர் உங்களோட ஆன் சிஸ்டராக இருக்கிற பட்சத்தில் நீங்கள் இந்த மாதிரி சொல்வது wrong. She is like my sister என்பது she is similar to a sister but not real. சகோதரி போன்றவர் என்று சொல்வது தான் like my sister. Okay, if she is actually your sister, you can't say she is like my sister. நீங்கள் எப்படி சொல்லணும்? She is my sister. Okay, but this is correct for a friend or somebody else. My best friend is like a sister to me. என்னோட best friend எனக்கு சகோதரி போன்றவர். அல்லது உங்களோட actual sister இல்லாத ஒருத்தருக்கும் நீங்கள் இதை சொல்லலாம். She's like my sister என்று சொல்லி. Okay, now today we have seen 15 common mistakes that we use when we are talking about our family members and friends. So, நீங்களும் இதே mistakes விட்டீங்கன்னு சொன்னா இன்றிலிருந்து you can talk correctly with confidence. So, catch them tightly. Let's meet with another lesson next time. Until that, take care.